Wondering how to make the most out of August Learning Solutions' free instructor resources? Then welcome back to Part 2 of August Learning Solutions' 3-part series on utilizing our instructor resources in your course. Today's topic, PowerPoint presentations. First, how can PowerPoints help with student learning and comprehension? PowerPoints can help to enhance classroom learning, offering visuals and keeping students engaged with the content. They are great reminders of key information and help to reinforce concepts from the textbook. Next, how can you work with our files? We provide all the editable PowerPoint files for download on our instructor portal. This allows you to personalize your PowerPoints to best fit your course. Add images, text, slides, or interactive components to engage your students. Now that we know the basics of our PowerPoint files, let's talk about a few ways to utilize them in your course. First, lecture aids. Use the PowerPoints in a traditional way by projecting them during your lectures. This will provide high-level information to your students while you teach and allow them to focus on the key concepts being discussed. Second, study guides. Ease the burden of note-taking and creating study guides for your students by creating a PDF out of the PowerPoint files and providing it to your students. They can print the files and take additional notes right on the pages to help for exam prep. Third, collaborative learning. Divide the students into groups, giving each a portion of the PowerPoint from that day's lesson. Give them time to prepare and have them reinforce key concepts to the class by acting out scenarios that cover the key concepts or role-playing healthcare scenarios based on the lesson. This will promote teamwork and get your students involved in their own learning. While we have only highlighted a few ways to utilize our PowerPoints in your course, we hope that this inspires you to make the most out of our instructor resources. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below and tune in next month for Part 3. If you'd like to learn more about August Learning Solutions and how our content can work for you, reach out. We can't wait to work with you.